Good evening all. Today I come here to show a problem of the monitor. You see the screen is blanking. Display is coming and coming out. So you see it carefully. It is coming and coming out. So I just first of all I switch off the set and I already opened the monitor. This is a monitor. I already opened the monitor and I am showing you the problem may occur due to SMPS supply as not good. So I open the SMPS of the monitor and I find out that this is the input supply and this is output supply, and I check out thoroughly and some black color and or some burning issue may be problem, and also the condenser may be some problem. So I am going to change this condenser and then see what happened. The problem will solve or not. Just wait and see. I open the condenser. I open it through the desolder wire and put a new one. This is the output condenser and I open it, and the value of the condenser is 680 MFD 16 volt, and I open both condenser. I opened it and try to fix the new one. Here is the condenser. I put it one by one. Now I attach the new one and see the problem will solve or not. attach the AC jack. Yes, the problem is solved. Now I again on it. You see the problem? And it stayed. The display is staying now. Okay, in that way I solved the problem. Thank you.